Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin. Today we'll take another look into the charts and some news. A digital artwork, an NFT, got sold for $60 million. The buyer is Justin Sun, the founder of Tron. People keep comparing everything to the tulips, to the tulip bubble. Famous story about history, some Dutch history. But in my opinion, it wasn't a bubble, because what is like the flower capital of the world right now? It is the Netherlands, where the tulip bubble had happened. So I'm not sure, was it a bubble? Because 400 years later, the Netherlands is still the capital in the world when it comes to flowers and flower trade. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you guys think the tulips were a bubble or not? Let me know. Something else. The S&P is at all-time highs right now, or close to, looking very good. The dollar is showing some weakness or doing a retest over here. Nasdaq is nice and strong at the moment. Even gold did a pop up. So yeah, this is what on the hourly the Dixie looks like. On the weekly we can take a look over here, and this is support right now. This trend line is support for the Dixie. I hope we can break under it again. As well, you could see it as a bullish retest of this one. I just hope for lower lows. We want to break this low over here to make a lower low and not see higher lows and higher highs. Take a look at the S&P 500. We can clearly see on the hourly chart what had happened over here. This was the line we drew yesterday, and they broke it, and yeah, they're basically at all-time highs right now. Exactly how we want it. If this breaks up, yeah, Bitcoin will make their new all-time highs as well. Will probably follow very well. Bitcoin is correlated very much with S&P 500, and if you want free money, you look at the ES1 futures every Sunday night, or at least for me, it is Sunday at midnight in the Netherlands. When it opens, and if it gaps up, you buy high leverage long Bitcoin and you dump it after half an hour and guaranteed a winning trade. This is a look at Bitcoin right now. We're having a look at the neobutane funding and premium indicator. And you know, when people are getting bullish, you know, we see premiums run up. So we saw that over here. Premiums going very high, and then we dump back down again until they go negative, and then we start rise again. So right now, every dip, you know, or every dip has followed after high funding. Last night, we had a little dip again as well, and we just went to, yeah, what is it? 54K. Yeah, it didn't even dump that much, the fundings and premiums, but we've risen a long way since that, and the premiums and fundings keep dropping. So that is extremely bullish. That gives us the exact fuel we need to make higher highs. So yeah, we are about to tap again against the all-time high over here. I think it will not take us long to get there again. We're at the 5-minute chart right now. We just see pop up, shake out, pop up, shake out, pop up. Last few shakeouts, higher highs or higher lows. It is looking very good. It is looking very good. It would not surprise me if we see higher highs very soon. Something like this would not surprise me either, to be honest. A bigger shakeout, something like an Adam and Eve pattern, would not surprise me, and would be quite bullish, making people short the bottom again and launch it from there. But I think either we move up from here or we're making this pattern. Either way, I am very, very bullish over here. It's also bullish. This retest got front ran as well so nicely. All the bears were targeting this place to buy, and they didn't get it. They got front ran, and we moved straight up from there. looking very strong. Ethereum, 5-minute chart, little bit, and the same pattern on Ethereum, except Ethereum is a bit weaker compared to Bitcoin over there. That's the level for Ethereum. This is support, or this one, whatever you prefer, both. Did a retest over here, got front ran a little bit, I think. Is that so? No, perfect retest. And I think they're making a bull flag right now. My target would be, break of this trend line, would be all-time highs. And I'm way more bullish on Ethereum than that. I think we will soon see 3K Ethereum. Solana popping up, higher lows, higher highs. Right now, they're breaking this resistance over here. A top on it over here, a top on it over there. And right now they're breaking it. On the 4-hour chart, extremely bullish for Solana. Will go to all-time highs. That is $18 right now. They're almost at $16, but yeah, very good buy opportunity over here, I think. Stops, obviously, either on this one, that is around $13, or around this one, and that is around, let's say, $12. Always put your stop just below a big round number. Zilliqa on the 4 hours. Yeah, a triple top. Not sure. Yeah, looking very good as well over here. Either you place a stop over here, or this becomes your target for another buy opportunity. Breaking this one would be bad. Having a 4-hour close below it. Other than that, very, very bullish chart for Zilliqa. Yeah, looking very good. Looking very good. Either break it now or come down for retest over here and bounce up from there. Your stop should be over here. And targets, well, figure out yourself how far they can push. ADA not looking that good over here in my opinion. We're on the 4-hour chart on Binance. I do not like ADA that much over here. They're grinding a bit too much, or like this. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't buy it over here. A short confirmation would be if they break that level over there. Long for me would be if they break that one. Either way, right now it is not a buy opportunity for me. Either long over here or short if they break it on a 4-hour candle close, and over here long it on a 4-hour candle close. That's as simple as it can be. Badger making a higher low, but I do not like that they made a lower low compared to this one. Compared to this one, it's still a higher low. I wouldn't be buying it over here, but on the longer term, Badger is very bullish since they have more than twice their market cap in their treasury. So that is very bullish. Funding rates, let's refresh them. Are the predicted ones lower than the current ones? Yeah, the predicted ones is way lower on Bybit, and the predicted ones is way lower on Bitmex as well. So that is very bullish for Bitcoin at these price levels. We're almost at an all-time high, and every time we're tapping this level, our funding levels and premiums get less high. So sooner or later, people will think, oh, it's so easy, free money. I'll just short 57K. And the more times we tap it, the weaker resistance gets. And yeah, we're just building up a lot of stops above 57K. So that is very, very bullish, or let's say 58K. But once we break it, we will short squeeze easily to 60K, easily. So that is about it for today. If you have any questions, make sure to ask me in the comments. I always like questions. I love interacting with the people who watch this. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.